Hey, what's up, bass lovers? Welcome to my channel. If you're looking to upgrade your car's audio and want that deep, rumbling bass, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best 10-inch subwoofers for deep bass, and trust me, these subwoofers will shake your car and your soul. Whether you're a casual listener or a serious audiophile, I've tested each one of these to help you find the perfect sub for your ride. Stick around until the end to see my number 1 pick, and I've got some surprises in there you won't want to miss. Also, make sure to check the links in the description for full product details and pricing. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more car audio reviews and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Let's get into it. Number 5, Kicker 43C104 Comp. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Kicker 43C104. Now, Kicker is known for delivering solid, budget-friendly subs, and this one fits that mold perfectly. With 300 watts of peak power, this sub definitely adds some punch to your sound system. I found the bass to be tight and responsive, making it great for genres like rock, pop, and even jazz. It's not going to blow your windows out, but for the price, it holds its own. That said, this subwoofer does have its limits. When I cranked up the volume, I noticed that the bass started to distort a little at higher levels. So, if you're looking for something to really push your audio system, you might feel like this one falls a bit short in terms of power. But if you're on a budget and want a solid improvement over your factory setup, the Kicker 43C104 is a great entry-level option. Number 4, BLAUPUNKT GBW101. Moving on to number 4, we've got the BLAUPUNKT 10-inch GBW101. With 600 watts of power, this sub definitely brings a bit more muscle to the table than the Kicker. BLAUPUNKT is a trusted brand in car audio, and I was impressed with the bass clarity on this one. The sound was fuller, and you could really feel it in the lower frequencies. If you're into electronic music or hip-hop, this subwoofer will give you a much more immersive experience. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One thing I noticed is that while the bass is deep, it can get a bit muddy at higher volumes, especially in tracks with a lot of complex bass lines. It's a bit bulkier too, so if you've got a smaller car or limited space in your trunk, you might need to get creative with installation. But overall, if you want that extra punch, BLAUPUNKT's 10-inch subwoofer delivers strong performance for the price. Number 3, Boss Audio System CXX10 Chaos Exxtreme Series. At number 3, we're looking into the Boss Audio CXX10 from the Chaos Exxtreme series. This sub packs 800 watts of peak power, so you already know it's going to bring some serious bass. I'll be honest, this thing hits hard. The low-end response is deep and powerful, and it really brings out the rumble in genres like EDM, rap, and metal. If you want bass you can feel in your chest, this sub gets the job done. But here's the trade-off, the sound quality isn't the cleanest. While the Boss CXX10 delivers raw power, it lacks some of the refinement of higher-end subs. I found that at louder volumes, the bass could become a bit overpowering, drowning out some of the mid-range and treble. It's a beast, but it's not as well-rounded as I'd like. Still, if you're all about maximum thump for a reasonable price, this sub brings the heat. Number 2, Pioneer TS A2500 LS4. Coming in at number 2 is the Pioneer TS A2500 LS4, and let me tell you, this shallow mount subwoofer surprised me. With 1200 watts of peak power, it offers some serious bass without taking up a ton of space. If you've got a small car or just want to preserve some trunk space, this sub fits in tight spots while still delivering deep, punchy bass. The sound quality is crisp, and I found that it handles a wide variety of genres really well, from hip-hop to rock and everything in between. The downside? While the Pioneer TS A2500 LS4 excels in compactness, it doesn't quite match the raw power of larger subs. I noticed that it struggled just a little with super deep bass frequencies, particularly in bass-heavy genres like dubstep. But for a shallow mount subwoofer, it performs incredibly well and offers a nice balance between sound quality and space saving. Number 1, Skar Audio SDR-10D4. And here we are at number 1, the Skar Audio SDR-10D4. I've got to say, Skar Audio continues to impress me with their powerful, budget-friendly subs. This beast offers 1200 watts of max power, and when I tested it, the bass was deep, clean, and insanely powerful. Whether I was listening to hip-hop, metal, or EDM, the Skar SDR-10D4 delivered incredible bass performance without distorting, even at high volumes. The dual 4-ohm voice coil adds flexibility with wiring, making it easier to match with different amplifiers. Now, I'll be honest, this sub is a bit on the heavy side, so installation might be a bit of a challenge if you don't have much experience with car audio setups. It also takes up more space compared to the others on this list, so if you're looking to conserve trunk space, that's something to keep in mind. But if you want the best deep bass experience without breaking the bank, the Skar SDR-10D4 is an absolute winner. So there you have it, my picks for the top 5 best 10-inch subwoofers for deep bass. Each of these subwoofers has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really comes down to what you're looking for in your sound system. Whether you want something compact like the Pioneer or a powerful beast like the Skar Audio, I've got you covered. If you're ready to upgrade your ride's audio system, make sure to check the links in the description for more details and product links. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and car audio tips. Drop a comment below and let me know which subwoofer you'd pick or if there's another one I should check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.